right, I need to change this outlet here. You see, it's the old 2-prong style, and we don't want that. We're gonna go with one of these guys. Old house. Everything's filled with paint. Good Lord, get in there. Out with that. All right, so the black wire is generally hot and the white wire is generally your neutral. There's instructions in the packaging of the outlet here. So hot line to brass screws and neutral line to silver. So brass, silver. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna grab a needle nose and make those a little more hooky. Got the old Nipix. That one looks good. Excellent. And excellent. And there's that. And then a new plate. All right, let's turn the breaker back on. Let's see how we did. All right, and it is the moment of truth. Looks like we're good. And then, just for fun, we've got Ting monitoring, and it will keep an eye on things in the house and let me know if any weird electrical stuff is going on. And I'm going to call that a success. So there you have it. New outlet, done. Turn the breaker off because we don't like dealing with electricity. Put on the appropriate safety footwear. Crocs are made of rubber, so best electrical shoe in the world, actually. So there you go. Do not take advice from me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Disclaimer. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks.